these hills.
Imagine packing up your family in Missouri and you want to make a whole new life, and you're not getting on a plane, you're not getting in the car, you're not driving down the road, you're hitching up a wagon, and you are spending months at a time coming to a new life. Some of my ancestors actually came over on the wagon train, so it's kind of great to relive their experience coming to California.
They went through hell to get here. The wagon train is a group of people that get together to take a trip, and they have to get all their stuff together.
That feels good, huh?
And they don't always like each other. But by the time they get down the road, they have to work together.
It's pretty rough. It's a jarring effect, and you feel every bump and hole in the road.
Well, you get yourself bounced around pretty good because these things have the suspension of a brick. I mean, they're original freight wagons. You're steel tires. If you roll over a quarter, you'll know if it's heads or tails.
It was always busy. Always had a roar to it. These supply trains that would go up and down here, they would have wagons, but they would have double wagons hooked together, pulled by 8, 10, 12 horses.
It's very special to me. I'm a history buff for sure, and to me there's nothing like Highway 50 Wagon Train.
Hey, but everybody up!
Kind of like a little bit of a family between all of us. We get to see each other a few times a year, and this is one of them, and it's probably one of my best, like one of my favorite wagon trains for sure, because it's such a beautiful view the entire time.
Up to the front we go.
You did perfect. But I am the third generation to go down Wagon Train.
It is important to do it to preserve history so that our kids know where we came from. Here we have kids that know nothing but cell phones and tablets. Back then there was no such thing. The kids had to make their own fun. There's a lot of forgotten history all along this area.
It's so neat to be going that slow and seeing the scenery.
I always joked with people, you've never seen Highway 50 till you've seen it at 3.5 miles an hour. Probably the most beautiful stretch is when we go up Myers Grade. And you look down, you see Tahoe in the background. You see so much because you can't see it when you're driving it, you'd kill yourself. We can just look right out and see the waterfalls and see things at 3.5 miles an hour you can't see.
I think it's a really good opportunity for especially kids my age to just learn a lot about history.
You've definitely got to keep it alive, especially in this day and age with the technology, and it's too easy to get on your phone and forget about the living history that we're experiencing today.
How we all band together to get safely into one spot. I've never seen anything like it in the real world where people band together no matter what to make sure we get down the road in one piece.
And you wind up along Highway 50 there, coming over Echo Summit. It's beautiful. To look back over your shoulder and see Lake Tahoe and see all of that beauty is a wonder.
Close your eyes and listen to the sounds and the horse hoofs clopping on the ground, and just rock back and forth and just imagine you're riding across the prairie all day long. If you really think about that, when you're in the wagon train and close your eyes and do this, you can transport yourself right back 150 years ago.